Hi, hello, welcome back to the channel. Seafood lovers, a special welcome to you all because today our recipe is pomfret fry. Fish fry is ultimate comfort food for seafood lovers. Full of flavors, super easy to make. This crispy pomfret fry is a perfect side dish for your meals. Do give it a try. Pomfret is also known as angel fish. It has white flesh with subtle non-fishy flavor. That's the reason why it is preferred more when compared to other fishes. Here I've taken 1.5 kg of fish. I've cleaned them well and cut into pieces. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of salt. This is a very quick pomfret fry. This takes less than 5 minutes to prepare. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. This is must for any fish recipes. Here I'm adding 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder. You can adjust chilli powder according to your taste. Add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm adding jeera powder. Squeeze half a lemon into this. Now fish fry tastes very yummy when you add a little tangy flavor to it. Now mix all these ingredients well and let it sit for 20 minutes. The more you marinate, the more tastier the fish fry will be. Now sprinkle some rice flour on the top of the fishes or roll the fishes in the rice flour before frying. This helps in the less absorption of oil. Heat the kadai and add enough oil for deep fry. When the oil is hot, gently place the pomfret and fry it for 2 minutes on one side. Do not disturb or move the fish. After 2 minutes, carefully flip the fish and cook on the other side for another 2 minutes. The fish will cook fast. Now carefully we are trying to flip the fish after 2 minutes to cook it on the other side. The fish fry is done and it's ready for plating. Yummy quick pomfret fry is ready. A simple rasam and fish fry is a kind of food that will warm your heart. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment. Most importantly, subscribe the channel. Hit the bell icon to receive the further notifications from this channel. Thanks for watching.